I bought some wheel spacers for my Grand Cherokee WK2. These are Bora 1 inch. Cherokee. They have the right center bore and the right bolt pattern. They seems to be very good quality for the price. I'm gonna go and install them and show you what it looked like before. Both the front and the rear are tucked in. Like I said, these are the 1 inch thick spacers, so you have to be careful. They will not fit on every wheel of the Grand Cherokee. These are 18-inch stock wheel from my overland. They clear. For my winter setup, I have the limited 20-inch wheels, 5-spoke. I tried to put the picture here, and they do not clear. When you have those wheels, the studs will contact the back of the wheels and the wheel will not sit properly on the spacer, so you have to cut your stock studs to have them clear. That's something you have to keep in mind when you're looking for the 1-inch spacer. This is how the Jeep sits now. Pull just a bit in the front, push in the rear. You can see look a bit more aggressive. My tires are 265, 65, 18.